Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Lata Smart Thoughts. I was sharing about the tips for a working mom in my last video, and today I would like to brief out a routine schedule for a working mom. So, all of us working moms, as I was discussing in the last video, we have different age group children in the house. Based on them, and adult companions who are staying with us, based on them, we should plan our schedules. And of course, some professions deal with emergencies, whereas some are non-emergency professions. Based on that also, we should plan our routines. I will give you a sample routine, even mine, of course, because I have a 4-year-old kid, so my routine would be for that age. So definitely based on the needs of a family and work demands, we can make the routine. So if every working mom, if I'm not wrong, at least 5:30 should be ideal time for us if our work schedules are morning hours. It's all depends upon the nature of the job, what we do, and our timings of the office, so that our flexibility will be adjusted. So 5:30, 5:30 to 6, I wish I just take some exercise, Surya Namaskara, meditation, and then come out for the regular kitchen routines. Then 6 to 6:30, we can keep something like coffee. We have a small gardening or washing our washing machine work like that. So 6:30 to 8 promptly we can go for the kitchen work, that is the meal planning and cooking. And then office hours, for me if it is 8:30 is office hours, I just start by 8:20, it's a 10 minutes drive. Then till 5:30 it is completely office hours. Then buffer half an hour I keep because maybe sometimes it gets delayed, 6 o'clock. So from there, once again the evening routine starts, 6 to 6:30. I just take it for relaxation and having a cup of tea. 6:30 to 8:30, absolutely it's the family time. As I mentioned, I have a small kid of 4 years, so my feeding, bath, and taking care of her, all these things along with the simultaneously the domestic work. Then I take time for dinner preparation around 9:30. 9:30 to 10, finally cleaning up and going back to the personal time. So minimum of 15 to 20 minutes I take my time, maybe some readings for professional updations or social media, or some answering back some messages, etc. Then again 10:30 to 11, the night routine, prayer and some meditation happens. 11 o'clock Isha bedtime. So this is how I have planned my routine. It is not necessary that everybody has the same sort of commitments. So each one based on our day routine, we can divide time equally and productively. So that way we can cater to all the needs. And as I was very well mentioning, wherever required, you just use some outsourcing, whatever is permitted in our budgets. Likewise, this is a routine of the day. Weekends we have a separate routine like cleaning the window panes, furniture, or some attending some repairs, appliances, reworking, etc. Again, seasonal routines or monthly routines will be there, where once in a month to do job lists are there. So they are something like dusting or vacuum, or maybe the major repairs to be attended like that. Even seasonal. Suppose if winter starts, we have to take out all the woolen wear, get it done, and we have to keep the things ready for the winter season. Like that, based on our work schedule, we can plan the daily, monthly, weekly routines, and that really keeps us safe and happy. Thank you.